Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a can opener. First, gather all your materials and tools, ensuring you have everything ready before starting. You'll need a sturdy metal sheet, a sharp cutting wheel, and a comfortable handle. Prepare your workspace to be clean and safe before you begin any cutting or assembly. Understanding the basic mechanics of how a can opener functions will guide your construction process effectively and safely. To begin, you'll need a few key items. A sturdy metal sheet, roughly 0.5 millimeters thick, will form the body. For cutting, acquire a sharp wheel about 2 inches in diameter. You'll also need a comfortable handle at least 4.5 inches long for good grip. Finally, gather small rivets or screws along with a drill to join all the components securely. Now, let's assemble your can opener. Start by carefully cutting your metal sheet into 2 distinct components. Next, securely attach the cutting wheel to one of these metal pieces. Then, fasten your chosen handle to the other metal component, ensuring it's firm. Finally, join these 2 main components together using your rivets or screws, making sure all connections are tight and stable. Before using your new can opener, it's crucial to test it safely. First, try it on an empty can to check its functionality. Carefully inspect for any sharp edges or loose parts that could cause injury. Ensure the cutting wheel rotates smoothly and engages properly with the can's rim. Make any necessary adjustments to the assembly to ensure optimal performance and a safe, efficient operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.